Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. Today we're going to take you around this lovely 2022 72 plate Crafter. It's a 140 PS automatic medium wheelbase, the great factory spec and some lovely enhancements from us. So starting off, it's got the LED lights. It's got a fully styled front here with the gloss black inserts and lower front spoiler. Matte contrast badges. It's only done 1,000 miles. It's a VW demonstrator, so in super condition. VLR gloss black wheels on it with 20-inch general grabber tyres, perfect for the road or if you've got to go off-road. Got running boards the full length of the vehicle. Gloss black pack surrounding the mirrors too, and smoked lenses on the side there. Rear lights and lenses got slightly smoked too, been totally debadged and colour coded on the rear here. And this one has got the full width step insert at the back. Rear camera fitted too. And on the inside, it has got the factory ply floor, but otherwise left blank, so you can do whatever you need to it, whether it be racking or camper conversion. It's all there and ready for it. Got the LED lighting up in the roof as well. It's got front and rear park sensors. And as we step inside, I'll show you the seats. Now, it's a 3-seater. This central one can fold down, but it's going to have leather on it. We've ordered the leather, just isn't here yet, but this will have leather in a very similar two-tone as this, so grey on the insert, black on the outside, as we've done on previous vehicles. There will be a photo of this in the listing, as we have done that previously, so I can show you that. Now the mileage is just a shade over 1,000 miles, 1,056 miles as of today. This one's got the business pack, so you've got cruise control, air conditioning, front and rear park sensors, and the overcab storage. Some other nice extras it's got is the Discover Media Navigation Unit. So that allows you to use the nav, you can do wireless, Apple CarPlay, really handy. Heated front screen and heated seats too. This little button here is for the LED lights in the compartment there. So great spec on it. If you've been and spoke to Volkswagen about one of these, you know that they take a while to come through from new and they're not actually producing any at the minute. So quite a rare thing. Super condition, only 1,000 miles, very, very close to a new one. We've got 20 plus photos and a full written description on our website. We can supply finance and we do take part exchanges. So if you're interested in the vehicle, please do get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.